everyone, thanks for joining me on this super lazy, unproductive, relaxed Sunday. Usually, I like to sleep in, spend a little time in bed, and start my day on a walk or making matcha. Like here, it's around 10 a.m. It's the beginning of a Ravens game. I'm super big Ravens fan. So I spend this morning watching the Ravens game, sipping some nice matcha, and catching up with my girlfriend. Spending that quality time with her, I think, is really important. And also enjoy some escape by watching a Ravens game. Then I get a little hungry and I decide that I should start making breakfast. So I make some shin ramyun, which is pretty good. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but it's super tasty. And then I spend some time catching up with my old roommate, Jerry.
Say hi to the vlog, Jerry.
Hello, everyone.
He's also a really big football fan, so I spent some time catching up with him on the phone on FaceTime.
15?
After watching for a while, realized the Ravens aren't going to lose this one, so time to head out. I decided to keep the agenda really loose today. All I'm going to do is go to a grocery store and also go to an antique shop to try to pick up a new film camera. It's something I've always wanted, something I wanted to get into. So I stopped by this place called Whistle Stop Antiques. Super cool. The people there were super nice. I found really interesting things there, like all these postcards from Disneyland that looked pretty old and really cool. Some old photos, of course some records. I don't even know a record player, but just going through them, just the sounds of the antique shop. I invite you to just enjoy these sounds that are in here, of flipping through the pages, or just sit back and let me be quiet for a second. After a while, I eventually found what I was looking for. Finally picked up a camera. After I run my errands, I come home to record a podcast that we release every week called The Rice Podcast with my co-host, Jonathan Yoon. Great guy. Also a great podcast. Check us out on wherever you download podcasts.
Hey Johnny, would you mind saying hi to the Sunday vlog?
I would not mind saying hi.
Alright, go ahead, whenever.
Like, what do I do?
Just be like, hey, lazy vlog.
Oh, like it's just recording.
Yeah.
Hey, lazy vlog.
After that, I get ready to wind down with some tea and catch up with one of my close friends, Joe.
Hey Joe.
Hey, what's up, Kyle?
I'm super thankful for things like FaceTime because it allows me to keep in contact with those that I'm close
Say hi to
to.
the Sunday vlog, babe.
Hello. Good evening. Really.
I end my day editing some things, speaking to Jocelyn, cleaning up a little bit, washing dishes, just mostly winding down for the evening. I really like to do not intense tasks right before I go to sleep. That way my mind's not wired. Like right here, I spend some time restringing my hoodie. It's not very intense at all, but something just to get my mind off the day before I go to sleep and get ready for the new week. I set my alarms and read a nice book before I just wind down and end my day, ready to get it all back to it tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in, especially following me through this super lazy Sunday. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great week.